You may have heard from a lot of career experts and career coaches that networking is the best strategy for your job search. Unfortunately, most people don't go into the details and the nitty-gritties of how networking works. So, what I want to do with this course, Art and Science of Networking for Job Search, is really go into the depths of how you can use networking for your job search. Hi, my name is Shubh Faujdar. I'm a Singapore-based job search strategist and career coach and a former corporate recruiter. I have over 18 years of experience in the recruitment landscape. And I'm a very, very big propagator of using networking to stand out in your job search. The intent of creating this course is to break down networking step by step to make it easy for you, the way I do it for my one-to-one clients. Here, we will be exploring 5 different avenues you can use for your networking. I will be diving deep into 3 aspects for all those avenues. The mindset, because I can give you all the tips and tricks and strategies, and you would still not implement because there's a mental block. Then we'll look at the overall strategy for that particular avenue. And the last thing we will go into is tactical things. How do you ask for help? How do you go about with it? What kind of emails to send out? So if you're looking for a complete package to help you with your networking for your job search, this course is extremely suitable for you.